I joined the Speak and Code Academy to learn how to code. This combined with the German lessons was the perfect opportunity to me to insert into the German job market.
I saw this opportunity and I said, I am in Germany without a job and I need something to do, and this challenge is really exciting for me, so I will do it. Ich komme aus Chile.
Ich komme aus Argentinien.
Ich komme aus der Ukraine.
Afghanistan.
Nigeria.
Chile.
Ich komme aus Afghanistan.
I have learned Ruby, HTML, CSS, database, and JavaScript, Rails.
The biggest challenge was leaving the country and settling a new life here. Yeah.
I'm surprised by the people here. My mates and my TAs and professors, they are amazing, and my mind is floating away from all these happy people.
I see that Wagon is really friendly, not only the students and teachers, students, TAs, and you can feel yourself at home when you're here and from the first day till now.
My plans after the bootcamp is to find a job as a software developer.
So the first thing is to start a job after this program and then maybe have a startup.
Find a job instantly.
Speak and Code Academy and Wagon in one word is a lot.
Challenge.
Opportunity.
Innovative.
Possibilities.